My house. Look at I have my farmhouse and look at this. I got my this one and also my weapons, also my wear, and also inside. This is a basement.
Oh.
Basement akong underground.
Mm-hmm.
Then
What's that?
I build a bathroom.
Is that a swimming pool?
No, it's a bathroom.
Bathroom na na?
Yeah, this is my bedroom.
Wow.
It looks guapo. I got my kitchen.
Baby,
And
let's
I
check
got
your
my
kitchen.
this one
Where's your kitchen?
here. This is my secret. I got inside the chest of my food.
Asan na yung girl?
Hey, what's the name of your house?
My house is Aaron and Sander.
Where's your girl?
I got my cooked beef in a coal
Why it's named Aaron and Xander, not Team Winner?
because that's my best friend. I got smoker. I got my book.
Where's your sala?
I want to build my sala, the slabs.
Where's your girl, Sander?
Huh?
Where's your girl?
Is on my... I don't
Okay,
know.
girl?
Wala. I'll build my desk. A planks.
Babe, let me check your farmhouse.
Okay. My farmhouse is on my basement.
Whoa. Kasosyal ba ang farmhouse sa basement? It's my first time to see a farmhouse under basement.
I'll put my...
What's that door? Swimming pool?
Yeah. I got my farm. Is on my pond. I'll put the desk in here. And look that. I'll build my chairs.
Hmm?
I'll build my chairs.
Hi, Sander.